right, so this is our first day of phonics, which is really exciting. In phonics, we're going to learn about different sounds and letters. We're going to learn how to write them out all by ourselves. We're going to learn how to write them in cursive, and then we're going to learn what sounds they make as well, okay? So today our sound is aw, okay? And it's kind of tricky, okay? It's tricky because it's the letter O, but O doesn't make the sound O. O makes the sound aw, okay? So I want you guys to practice saying aw, so we're gonna do it together. Okay, so you want to open your mouth, aw, like this, and you're gonna drop your tongue down to the bottom of your mouth, okay? Ah, just like this. So pretend, you know, when you go to the doctor and they say, okay, I'm gonna check inside your mouth, say ah. It's the same thing, okay? So we're gonna go ah, just like that, okay? And to give you an example, our animal that goes with this sound is an octopus, okay? So when I say, what sound does O make? Are you gonna say O? It doesn't say O, it says aw, like an octopus. So this is Ollie the octopus. He is on your coloring page, okay? That is on your Google Classroom. You'll need to print that out. So if you don't have this printed out and if you don't have this page printed out, I want you to pause the video and go ask Mommy or Daddy or Grandma or Grandpa to print it off for you, okay? Pause the video if you don't have it. All right. So this is Ollie the octopus, okay? And we are gonna color this page in a little bit, okay? So, and this is your writing page, okay? We're gonna use that in a minute as well. So first we're gonna practice a little bit. I want you to do a thumbs up if I make the sound aw, and a thumbs down if I don't say the sound aw, okay? You ready? What about the word olive? I'll repeat it, olive. You should all be giving me a thumbs up. That one's right. That is our Ollie the octopus sound. That is our aw sound, okay? See how he's got his mouth open just like that? Aw. That's what we want, okay? All right, let's do the next one. You guys are really smart. Let's see. Apple. Apple. You should all be giving me a big thumbs down. No, that one's not right, huh? Okay, apple makes this sound. Watch my mouth. My mouth is going like this, apple. I'm smiling kind of. We don't want that. We want the aw sound. I'm making a big O, right? All right, next one. Eel. Eel. Nope, that one's not right, huh? Eel. Look, again, my mouth. I'm smiling. That's not what we want. We want aw, oh noise, okay? All right, let's try the next one. How about octopus? Octopus. Thumbs up, good job. All right, that one is right, huh? That's the name of our little mascot here, Ollie the octopus. He's on your coloring page. Ollie the octopus says aw. All right, let's try two more, okay? How about yak? Yak. I don't think so. That one's not right. How about an ox? An ox? That one's right. Did you see my mouth? Ox. Yeah, so it's kind of tricky because it goes pretty fast, huh? So we have to think about it. Okay, so I want you to say it 5 times. We're going to say it 5 times. We're going to say aw 5 times. Okay, you ready? Say it out loud. If you're not saying it out loud, you're cheating. Okay, you ready? Ox. 1. Octopus. Octopus. Good job. How about Oscar? That's a name. Oscar. What about olive? Say olive. And what about on? On. Like he jumped on top of the table. We shouldn't jump on top of the table. Maybe you jumped on top of something else. I don't know. Okay. Next one we're going to do is I want you to pull out your O sheet right here, okay? And we are going to practice writing O, okay? So I'm going to practice it on my whiteboard, okay? And you guys are going to practice it on your sheet. So pull out that sheet and get a pencil out, okay? So it says to color the capital letters blue and color the lowercase letters red. So we haven't really gone over this as much, but I'm going to teach right now. So O looks the same for an uppercase and a lowercase letter. Okay, so an uppercase letter, it's just bigger. And a lowercase letter, it's just smaller, but they look pretty much the same. So we're just going to do a big circle for the O. Okay, and I'm going to do it on my board, and I'm going to try to do it backwards because it's a little bit weird. So we're going to start at the top. You're going to start at the top. Okay, and you're going to go all the way around, make a nice big oval. There's my uppercase O, and then here's my lowercase O. Okay, so you can trace it on your paper right here. You can copy this one, and then you're going to copy it down here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times, okay? Do the uppercase and then the lowercase. All right, and then we have, it says to color the capital letters blue and color the lowercase letters red. Okay, so in this grid right here, if you see an uppercase, so a big O, you're going to color that one blue. And then the lowercase ones that are smaller, you're going to color those ones red, okay? But we're not going to do that one right now, okay? I'm going to move on to the coloring page, okay? And you can finish this one when the video's over, okay? So go ahead and pull out your coloring page, okay? And you're just going to color your octopus while I give you some fun facts about an octopus, okay? So, an octopus, where are my fun facts? There they are. So an octopus has 4 pairs of arms. Did you know that? So we only have 2 arms. They have 8 arms total. They also have 3 hearts. 3 hearts. We only have 1 heart, right? Just 1. They have 3. Oh my goodness. And so 2 of them pump their blood, and then the third one, 2 of them pump blood just right in here, and then the rest of them pump blood all the way to the rest of their bodies. So to all of those 8 arms that they have. They can't hear. They're deaf. They can't hear anything. Female, so the girl octopuses, they lay about 40,000 eggs. Oh my goodness, that's so many. And after the eggs hatch, then they swim to the surface and they float around on the surface until they get bigger, and then when they get bigger, they swim back down into the ocean. So they can actually, here's another fun fact, they can solve problems. So they can actually unscrew the jar of a lid if they want to. They can unscrew the lid of a jar. I don't know if I said that right. They can unscrew a lid. So if you gave them like a jar of pickles, they could take the lid off. And then our last fun fact is that the blue-ringed octopus is really poisonous. He's one of the most poisonous aquatic creatures. Aquatic just means water, that they live in the water. So even though it's actually a very small octopus, but it can really hurt humans, which is crazy, within just a few minutes. Okay, so one more time, we're going to review. I want you guys, so does the letter O say the sound O or aw? You tell me. O or aw? It's tricky, huh? It says the sound aw, okay? As in octopus. That's why we're coloring Ollie the octopus, okay? Doesn't say the sound O. Oh, not always anyways. Sometimes it does, but we'll get to that later. That's really tricky. All right, so finish up that coloring page and then finish up this page. Okay, do your tracing, and if you need help on the directions, go ahead and ask Mommy, Daddy, Grandma, Grandpa. Okay? All right, that's the end of our phonics lesson, you guys. You made it through your first lesson. Good job. You guys are super smart. We're going to know all the sounds by the end of the year, which will be really fun. Okay, so I'll see you guys in another video.